How to screen share on iPhone. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to screen share on iPhone. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, you can also just need to understand what screen share means. So this screen share that we're pertaining into is actually called screen mirroring. So in order to do this on your iPhone, what you need to do is to head over to your settings. And from there, just scroll until you see general right here. So just click on that. And from in there, you see the option to AirPlay and hand off. So click on that AirPlay and hand off. And you can see that this AirPlay and hand off is actually screen mirroring but iPhone or Apple's version. So just click on this automatically AirPlay to TVs and change this never to either ask or automatic. So if you choose automatic, then this will automatically connect your iPhone to any available TVs. But if you choose an ask, then this will ask you first before connecting. So for me, I will choose ask. And from in there, just scroll up to your control center. And then you will see this option right here. So click on this option. And this is the screen mirroring. So if you have any devices that are compatible for screen mirroring, then they will appear here. Just click on any one of them and you should be able to share screen your iPhone in that. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to screen share on iPhone. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.